Hello friends, welcome back to our channel FoodTech 360. In this video, we are doing FoodTech quiz number 33, topic pigments. It consists of 30 MCQs, so watch till end and comment down your score out of 30. This video is sponsored by India's #1 online education platform, Unacademy. We are so happy and proud to be a partner channel of Unacademy. Unacademy is providing live special classes, special marathon classes, daily test series, mock tests, live quizzes, and unlimited recorded sessions. So download Unacademy Learning app from the Play Store and sign into the app and choose Kerala BSc as your required course and click on free live classes. After that, it will ask for any referral code. You can use FoodTech360 as the referral code to unlock all free classes and free tests on Unacademy. Unacademy Learning app link is given in the description. Unacademy is conducting combat on Kerala PSC for 10th level prelims. It consists of total 50 questions from the topics Science and Technology, Mathematics and Current Affairs. Top ranks will be getting exciting Amazon vouchers, so enroll now for free by using FoodTech360 as the referral code. Link is in the description. So without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. Brown color of tea is due to options A. Chlorophyll, B. Tannins, C. Lycopene, D. None of the above. Correct answer B. Tannins. Question number 2. Lycopene is found in options A. Potato, B. Tomato, C. Broccoli, D. Watermelon. Correct answer B. Tomato. Question number 3. Dash is colorant obtained from insect D. Coccus. Options A. Saffron, B. Annatto, C. Monascus, D. Cochineal. Correct answer D. Cochineal. Question number 4. Color of maple sugar is due to options A. Tannins, B. Chlorophyll, C. Caramelization, D. Carotene. Correct answer C. Caramelization. Question number 5. Dash are green pigments involved in photosynthesis in plants and some animals. Options A. Chlorophylls, B. Carotenoids, C. Xanthophyll, D. Anthocyanin. Correct answer A. Chlorophyll. Question number 6. Pigments from cochineal insect. Options A. Carminic acid, B. Prussic acid, C. Nicotinic acid, D. Ellagic acid. Correct answer A. Carminic acid. Question number 7. Betalains are a group pigments found in options A. Apple, B. Carrot, C. Mango, D. Red beet. Correct answer D. Red beet. Question number 8. Polyphenolic compounds present in coffee. Options A. Chlorogenic acid, B. Caffeic acid, C. Catechin, D. Chlorogenic and caffeic acid. Correct answer D. Chlorogenic and caffeic acid. Question number 9. Dash is colorant produced by microorganisms used in food. Options A. Monachus, B. Annatto, C. Cochineal, D. All of the options. Correct answer A. Monachus. Question number 10. Polyphenolic compounds present in cocoa. Options A. Catechin, B. Chlorogenic acid, C. Caffeic acid, D. Chlorogenic and caffeic acid. Correct answer A. Catechin. Question number 11. Color of saffron is due to options A. Xanthophyll, B. Lycopene, C. Anthocyanin, D. Quercetin. Correct answer D. Quercetin. Question number 12. Red color of apple is due to options A. Anthocyanins, B. Cryptoxanthin, C. Lycopene, D. Quercetin. Correct answer A. Anthocyanins. Question number 13. Stable pink color of cured meat is due to options A. Nitric oxide myoglobin complex, B. Nitric oxide, C. Nitroso-hemochromogen, D. All of the options. Correct answer C. Nitrosohemochromogen. Question number 14. The red pigment of blood is known as options A. Myoglobin, B. Hemoglobin, C. Vitamin B12, D. Oxymyoglobin. Correct answer B. Hemoglobin. Question number 15. Red color of onion is due to options A. Anthocyanins, B. Cryptoxanthin, C. Lycopene, D. Quercetin. Correct answer D. Quercetin. Question number 16. Yellow color of corn is due to options A. Anthocyanin, B. Betaline, C. Cryptoxanthin, D. xanthophyll. Correct answer D. Xanthophyll. Question number 17. The flavonoids are mainly found in options A. Citrus plants, B. Vegetables, C. Oil seeds, D. Rice. Correct answer A. Citrus plants. Question number 18. Red color of cottonseed oil is due to options A. Xanthophyll, B. Stearoic acid, C. Ellagic acid, D. carotenoids. Correct answer B. Stearoic acid. Question number 19. Pheophytin formation from chlorophyll is due to release of options A. phytol chain, B. Magnesium, C. Iron, D. Chlorophyll moiety. Correct answer B. Magnesium. Question number 20. The color of egg yolk is due to options A. carotenoids, B. anthocyanin, C. chlorophyll, D. flavonoids. Correct answer A. carotenoids. Question number 21. The pigment in annatto is dash. Options A. xanthophyll, B. chlorophyll, C. Bixin, D. anthocyanin. Correct answer C. Bixin. Question number 22. Yellowish color of milk is due to the presence of dash. Options A. anthocyanin, B. chlorophyll, C. carotenes, D. blood serum. Correct answer C. carotenes. Question number 23. Red color of chili is due to options A. anthocyanins, B. cryptoxanthin, C. lycopene, D. quercetin. Correct answer B. cryptoxanthin. Question number 24. This is synthetic food color used in food gives red color. Options A. tartrazine, B. carmosin, C. indigo carmine, D. all of the options. Correct answer B. carmosin. Question number 25. Which of the following is red water soluble pigment? Options A. anthocyanin, B. betaline, C. cryptoxanthin, D. xanthophyll. Correct answer B. betaline. Question number 26. Color of lettuce and peas. Options A. chlorophyll, B. carotene, C. lycopene, D. tannins. Correct answer A. chlorophyll. Question number 27. Which of the following is intermediate during enzymatic browning of food? Options A. polyphenol oxidase, B. orthoquinone, C. melanoids, D. quinone. Correct answer B. orthoquinone. Question number 28. Turmeric contains colorant principle known as dash. Options A. curcumin, B. carotenoid, B. betalains, D. crosserine. Correct answer A. curcumin. Question number 29. Betalains are stable in the pH range. Options A. 4 to 6, B. 10 to 14, C. 0 to 2, D. 7. Correct answer A. 4 to 6. Question number 30. Dash is non-permitted synthetic food color. Options A. amaranth, B. tartrazine, C. erythrocin, D. indigo carmine. Correct answer A. amaranth. Now comment down your score out of 30. If you have missed out our previous videos, we have linked them down in the description. For daily updates and study materials, you can join us on our Telegram channel, Facebook and Instagram. Unacademy is conducting a course on current affairs. In this course, Mansoor Ali sir will provide in-depth knowledge of current affairs for LDC. Similarly, Shafi Thompson sir will provide in-depth knowledge of natural science for HSA. These courses will be helpful for aspirants preparing for Kerala PSC. Learners at any stage of their preparation will be benefited from the course. All doubts related to the topic will be clarified during doubt clearing sessions in the course. The course will be covered in Malayalam and the notes will be provided in Malayalam. Also, Unacademy has started a combo batch for 10th level prelims final preparation. Batch 1 is revision course on 10th level prelims. Batch 2 is a batch course on 10th level prelims through previous year questions. So don't miss a class. Subscribe to Unacademy. You will get the following benefits through Unacademy Plus subscription. For upgrade to Unacademy Plus, select the Plus button and choose your required plan. You can use FootTech360 as the referral code to get 10% discount on your subscription. The fees can be paid as EMI also. So let's crack it with Unacademy.